Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how I made $1,500 on Amazon by spending $100 using this one coupon. If that sounds like something you're interested in watching, be sure to stick around to the end. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So we're here in my computer. Hope you're all doing well. It's Monday. And we're going to have a great week here today. We're going to start it off with a little short lesson about how to get an awesome return on investment just using some coupons. I thought the best way to do that would be to show you the actual coupons. You know, I'm all about transparency, showing you how to, not only why you should be doing this, but how I've done it and how it's worked in my business. So if we come in here, we could see we've run a bunch of these coupons here. And I just want to take a second and let's just go look at some of these numbers. So spend, $82 in spend, $1,200 in sales, $100 in spend, almost $1,600 in sales, 82 in spend, 1,300 in sales, 82 in spend. Okay, so we get it. I'm not going to go through all those. There are some really nice returns on investment there. And that's with a 5% off coupon. So you can see we had 269 clips, only 33 people used it, almost a little more than 10%. And we had 1,200 sales because of the 33 sales of about a $50 product. So that's it, guys. We're going to get into it, right? We're going to create it now. So pull up a new tab, get your Seller Central accounts open. We're here in advertising coupons. So we're going to do create a new coupon. Okay. We're just gonna, I like to just pick my product like this. You could just use the keyword thing and then add that to coupon, go continue to next step. I always like percentage off better, and I'll tell you why. Money off, if we did 5% off of $50, that's only like about $250 off, right? But if you do percentage off, I see 5%. A lot of people don't do quick math in their head. So they just go, oh, 5% off. In a lot of ways, the number 5 looks bigger than the number 2.5. Well, that was either very smart, very stupid. It is a bigger number than 2.5, but psychologically, I think 5% sounds like more than $2.50 off. So your limit up here is $100. When we go back to this page here, this is what that's referring to, your spend here. How much are you going to allow this campaign to spend? Now, technically, I mean, you could set this as high as, I don't know, $1,000 and just let this thing rock as long as it wants to. You'll likely go out of your time frame before that. So why don't we just set it to 100? That was like less than 1 cent. We'll go to $100 here. Coupon budgets are not hard limits, right? Coupon budgets are for planning purposes, and budget overshooting should be expected. You could see in a lot of cases, actually, we undershot. Quite a few of these were in the $80 range. Only this one actually ended up hitting $100. So we'll go back to this and we'll hit continue to next step. You're going to name it. So save 5% on macrame shelf. I guess you could do shelves. That might sound better. And then we'll go ahead and we'll do all customers. Now this part's up to you. So you can select to do Amazon Prime members, Amazon family members. That one, I wouldn't do that. I'd either do Prime or all customers. I just do all customers because I don't really care if someone has Prime or not, if they're going to purchase my product. So start date, we're going to do today's date. And I'll usually go about 2 weeks out. You go 3. We'll go for the rest of November. And then we could do continue to next step here. And this last step would just be submitting this coupon. Now, I'm actually not going to submit this coupon because I've already have this coupon running. If we actually come over to Amazon, you could see we have 5% off right here. 5% off a coupon. That's a coupon that we actually just set up. So I'm not too worried about that coupon, actually. You'll see there's some other competitors that have similar coupons like that. It's a pretty popular one to do. But I'd be willing to bet a lot of you haven't seen the fact that it could be so dramatic, right? So when we start talking about spending less than $100 to make that, I mean, that's just crazy, right? Imagine if you went into your campaign manager and once a week, twice a week, or once every other week, you were able to set up a campaign that only spends $80 but gets 33 sales and makes $1,296 in sales at, a 35% margin. That would be fantastic. So that's it for today's video. Just a real practical one for you. Hopefully you could walk away from this video and apply this yourself. I recommend you go ahead, get out there, and try this out. See what your ROIs are. You could see mine are very consistent. It's like a printing press, right? If we were to add all these up, I'm sure it would look really, really impressive, but I just didn't have the time to do that. You can do that here, right? So that's it. Go apply a coupon. You do 5% off, you do 10% off. Sometimes if I'm launching, I'll do a little more aggressive, do like a 10% off, 15% off. But honestly, the 5% works just fine. I just think it's a little bit of a commitment. Someone sees that on your listing, they generally want to buy it, right? You can see there's a pretty good ratio of people. Like generally 1 out of every 10 people, in some cases many more, 1 out of every 5 people who clip it end up purchasing it. So that's like a really good conversion rate. You get that many people buying your product. So that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like if you enjoyed and dislike if you didn't, and subscribe for more. But as always, I'll see you here on the channel again this week for another video. Thanks so much. Later.